Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your accounts ready so the app gives meaningful insights immediately. Open the app, create a profile, then link at least one bank or import your transactions. This populates categories automatically. Once done, set your base currency and billing cycle date so reports align with paydays. Make sure to enter initial balances for accuracy. Without them, your budget will drift. This prep is the first actionable step that makes every subsequent analysis reliable and fast, and it prevents manual reconciliation. Now you refine data so the app tracks behavior and enforces limits. Create clear categories and split recurring versus variable expenses. This improves trend accuracy. Then assign monthly budget limits and specify savings goals as percentages or fixed amounts so the app can allocate cash flow. Next, set auto-categorization rules and merge duplicates to reduce manual edits. Finally, schedule recurring transactions and transfers once active. These predict future balances and prevent surprises by showing when you might hit a limit. Finish by validating results and locking in habits. Review monthly reports for cash flow, category trends, and net worth so you can spot leaks. Then adjust budget limits based on actual variance and set alerts at, say, 80% or 100% to prevent overspend. Reconcile your accounts weekly to keep balances accurate. If something goes wrong, most commonly a sync failure, reconnect the bank, refresh the auth token, or import a CSV. That troubleshooting step restores data without losing categorized history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.